Notwithstanding an electrical panorama like this, the power sector would still agree that compared to industries like telecom and oil, investments are still few and far between.
The biggest challenge this sector has is that the ultimate consumer, what he pays as a per unit cost of power, is less than the cost of production. So any commodity where you have price of the commodity less than the cost of the commodity, the sector cannot prosper. And investors will not enter into the sector if there is no return on investment. And that is the main reason why industries are not investing into power sector to the extent which we would have been happy to see.
Aggregate technical and commercial losses. In that you get the line losses, the thefts, the unmetered. You see, it is very important that whatever challenges in the T&D sector are addressed. And the biggest challenge is these losses. Now that were at a very high level of 45 to 48% earlier, which has come down to relatively in the 20s now. But still we need to come down to around 12 to 15%.
On January 18, 2012, the movers and shakers of the power sector would once again come together to look for ways to convert the challenges into opportunities as the 10th edition of Elecrama unfolds at the Bombay Exhibition Centre in Goregaon. But what does the 5-day event have in store for the power sector? We'll find out after the break. Elecrama is the world's largest electrical transmission and distribution exhibition. The exhibition is held biennially in Mumbai and attracts as many as 1,250 exhibitors, including 143 international exhibitors from across the globe. Within India, 95% of the electrical industry manufacturers across the entire T&D value chain come together to showcase their research, development and manufacturing strength to the world.
Well, one of the advantages of Elecrama is that it helps showcase the Indian electrical industry. There is no other large exhibition or event which showcases the electrical industry as well as Elecrama does.
The 5-day T&D fair is a showcase event of IEMA or Indian Electrical and Electronics Manufacturers Association, which represents 650 member organizations from public, private and joint sectors, and its members contribute to 95% of the 150,000 megawatts of power generating capacity in India.
IEMA is voice for the electrical industry. It's a connection between all the various stakeholders. Now when I say stakeholders, it's companies like us, EMCO and other companies, versus the customers who are the other stakeholders, the government customers, private customers. Similarly, it's a spokesperson to interact with the government on various policies. So all in all, it's the voice of the industry in various forums.
The 10th edition of this biennial event that showcases the full potential of India has a lot in store for the world over its 5-day event from 18th to 22nd January. One of the highlights of the event is Grid Week Asia, a 2-day conference on smart grids that will act as a prelude to Elecrama. The conference is the first ever Asian edition of the Global Smart Grid Summit Grid Week, and the fact that it chose Elecrama to launch its maiden Asian event underlines the magnitude and importance of Elecrama to not just India but to the world itself.
Grid Week Asia is a special event that we have configured along with Elecrama, and it's going to be focusing on smart grids. It's conceptualized by Grid Week, which is an established event on smart grids in the US for the last 5-6 years. And they have agreed to have the first one outside of the US, and that is going to be held alongside Elecrama.
We have been working for about a year now to put together the conference. It has been a very interesting exercise. I think smart grid is in many ways relatively new in India, although some elements of smart grid has been implemented for many years in India as it is elsewhere. But the main part of smart grid, the main sort of thrust of smart grid is very new in India. So it's been very interesting to understand exactly where smart grid is in India and what the expectations are from the various players, whether it's government or private sector, whether you're in the generation or the smart meter or on the consumption side, and also of the information technology side.
SIGRE Tutorials is another highlight of the 5-day expo. As part of this, 4 tutorials would be organized by SIGRE India and IMA to discuss international practices and disseminate the latest knowledge on key transmission-related topics. Change Exchange Reverse Buyer Seller Meet, spanning over all 5 days, is the biggest meeting place of international buyers who plan to source electrical products and equipments from India. This provides one-on-one meetings with Indian sellers and networking opportunities, among others.
This is a project where the various countries which are selected, that's African countries, Middle East, Southeast Asia, CIS countries, Latin America, people from this who are interested in buying, that is utilities, EPC contractors, consultants, etc. They come and discuss with our manufacturers, our equipment people, so as to decide what can be bought out of India.
After its successful debut last year, Engineer Infinite returns and is much talked about already. It offers an opportunity for engineering students as they would get to display their projects as well as interact with industry veterans.
You find a lot of bright young kids doing core engineering but changing their profession and going away from it into other fields like IT, like finance, banking, etc., etc. While this is a matter of economics at the end of the day, the reality is that without good core engineers, the nation cannot progress. Therefore, this initiative is designed to create a larger level of interest in core engineering with emphasis on electricity.
The Utility Day that acts as a platform for the Indian electrical industry to interface with the government, the CEO Summit that discusses the current challenges and the future, and the Industry Day that provides a forum to the industry leaders of domestic electrical equipment manufacturing industry to discuss the road ahead are the other events to look forward to. Elecrama 2012 will be hosted at the Bombay Exhibition Centre in Mumbai from 18th to 22nd of January.
India's special offering of the right technology at the right price is in full display in Elecrama 2012. That's why you've got to be there to come and witness it.